Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Walworth County and southeastern
Oh my
Wisconsin,
God.
southwestern Racine County and southeastern Wisconsin until 4:15 p.m. At 3:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lake Geneva, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lake Geneva, Bonners Lake, Browns Lake, Como, Burlington, and Springfield. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A strong thunderstorm will affect funds like in